Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your complete followers list on Facebook using the web version on your PC. Facebook has recently updated some of its menu options, so the location of this list may look a little different from what you remember. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer and go to the Facebook website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once Facebook loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will open another section with additional account and privacy settings. Next, click on Settings if it appears in the menu. Now, look through the settings area and find the option called Activity Log. Click on it to continue. The activity log contains different types of information and activities connected to your Facebook account. Inside the activity log, find and select Personal Information. This section includes personal details and account-related information that Facebook has organized for you. Next, click on Followers. After that, choose the option labeled People Who Followed You. Facebook will now display the available list of people who have followed your profile. You can scroll through the list to view your followers. Depending on your account activity and privacy settings, the number of followers shown may be different from the number of friends on your account. Remember, followers and friends are not always the same. Someone can follow your public posts without being added to your friends list. And that's how you can find your followers list on Facebook web using a PC after the new update. If you don't see the options immediately, check each menu carefully because Facebook may organize these settings slightly differently depending on your account or interface version. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more useful Facebook tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.